my friend, this is how to play Eleanor Rigby. Now, this is a great exercise to get away from what we considered lesson 2, the teeter-totters. Taking any chord you have and being able to play it in 2 different ways, thusly meaning if it's an E minor and you know how to play your E minor by using your first finger and your second finger, why not try to use your second finger and your third finger? This is a great exercise to show you why that is a good idea. So if you're playing this middle part that has the E minor and does a walk down E minor 7 to the 6, it's hard to get that when you got your 2 fingers here. You can't just move that finger down back there and keep that structure. It's almost impossible. I mean, you can if you practice that. Why practice something which is counterproductive? So, if you teeter-totter your fingers by meaning put your first finger up, second finger where first finger was, and bring the third finger on the fretboard, you can then utilize that same functionality and then have that first finger there to control that C note and then to drop it open. So when we're doing this kind of movement, having the moving from the C, D, D flat, C, C flat, we have these notes moving from the other chord in here is going to be a C major. So if we're in the key of C, this is 1, and E minor would be a minor third. So what we're going to do here is just practice the idea of the teeter-totter. Every time I show the teeter-totter, lesson 1 being spider exercise, lesson 2 being teeter-totters, we're going to take an E minor and just do our hand like this, switching between the 2. On the 1 beat, we're going to be playing the E minor with our different fingering. Notice how that my right hand keeps going up and down, and I just play the 1. Now granted, there's a lot of time that passes in between this, and the hand keeps going up and down. However, if I switch to half notes, which is on the 1 and the 3, I can switch between those 2 types of fingerings quite quickly. If I go down, 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 I have quarters, and I can also switch quite quickly. If I add a down, up, and keep the same fingering, I have an 8th note. Now that's what this song would be in. Just because I like showing the whole teeter-totter. If I went down, up, 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 I would have 16th notes. And then if I went, I would have 30th notes, but I can't play that fast. Anyway, this song, Eleanor Rigby, enforces the down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So what I find is there's way more control with the dynamics doing this than. So I use a little bit of both. Eleanor Rigby picks up the rice in the church where a wedding is made. Lives in a tree, waits at the window, wearing a face that keeps my charm by the door. Who is it for? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? D, C sharp, C, E. Father Mackenzie writing the words to a sermon that no one will hear. No one comes near, look at the boat, counting his socks in the night when there's nobody there. What does he care? All the lonely people. Do they all belong? All the lonely people. Do they all does really help to enforce that right hand. If you will notice throughout the whole thing, if you can keep a constant having the down up, 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 down up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down. Great exercise to get that hand doing just the rhythm exercise whilst understanding it is still an eighth note structure. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Aloha.